Hi friends! My friend and I were thinking about what we could improve on our car's interior. So we saw that the materials on our door panels got old, so the only good solution for it was to change the material. He started searching for some good material for them, found it, we bought the material and the glue and started working on it. Everything cost us around $20, which is cheap for such a difference in the interior. Worth all the money and the time we spent on it. I'm very satisfied with the results we got. You're going to see them at the end of the video. The material looks similar to Alcantara. Obviously it is not the real Alcantara, but it looks very nice. So let's see the building process. The first thing that we needed to do was to remove the door panels out of the doors. That gave us a lot of freedom while we were doing it. So let's do it. After removing the door panels, we saw that they had used a very weird way of connecting the two parts from which the door panels are consisted of. We needed to use some ironer and some clips tools in order to be able to disassemble them, and that was a little bit tricky, but we managed to disassemble it. Let's see it. Spray both parts with the glue, the material and the door panels, and glue them up. We use this glue, very good glue, did a great job, so let's do it. Using the same way as before, we connected with the ironer the door panels together and put the door panels back on the car. And here it is. In my opinion, they look really great. So for $20, it did a huge difference to the car's interior. The material is very soft, very good. I'm very satisfied with the results we got. Tell me guys what you think. Wish you like it. Thanks and have a nice one.